We are Natel. We make amazing things happen. We are known not only for the things we make, but for the solutions we provide. With 4 decades of electronic experience, Natel has been providing world-class, high-quality electronic manufacturing services to OEMs in a variety of industries, including energy, medical, defense, and transportation. We work hard to not only provide solutions, but to offer our customers peace of mind. Customers have acknowledged us through awards that include recognition of dependability, on-time delivery, responsiveness, quality, and value. At our Agave plant, we listen to each customer's requirements and develop solutions tailored specifically for them. Our Agave plant in Mexico provides manufacturing solutions that include printed circuit board assembly, complete systems integration, including board layout, test development, prototype testing, and box build. Moreover, we employ automatic hands-free assembly capabilities for modules, through-hole, and chip-on board. Natel has pioneered the precision capabilities necessary for high-frequency optical products in the 10 to 40 gigahertz range. We specialize in providing comprehensive solutions from design to manufacturing to direct fulfillment and repair depot for our customers. Our abilities in engineering allow us to easily support our customers' programs from concept through the full product lifecycle. Natel has more than a dozen world-class